Hi, this is Rahil Shabir. Rise has helped me in every possible way to crack this exam. It has helped me in every possible way to reach this goal. I have secured 99.45 percentile in NEET and also 98.4% in board. Every student who is willing to crack competitive exams, Rise is the best place for him.
I also secured 99% in my board exam, so I'd recommend it for that too. Faculty, which is available 24/7, is just a call away, and the personal guidance that they.
Hi, I'm Mutaris Mir. I am a student at RISE and I am selected in Government Medical College. RISE helped me. They get me on track in this, like you have to set micro targets in that. RISE, because of these things which you'll not find anywhere, they are going to keep you on track.
Hi, I'm Haran Shah and I scored 99.44 percentile in JEE Mains and an All India rank of 5900 in JEE Advanced. Thanks a lot, Rise. Thanks a lot, Rise.
I am Mohammad Pirzada and I've cleared the IIT JEE entrance exam, the JEE Advanced exam, and I will be going to an IIT. I think Rise has done a great and commendable job of simplifying the process of IIT, and I would like to say that going to Rise proved the gateway for me to go to an IIT.